Y'all have spoken and said you want me to make another Argentina travel video. So I'm in a dark corner in the flagship lounge, which I love because you can make a proper old-fashioned while you're waiting. So let's get on the plane, get down to South America, try to be quiet. There's people everywhere. Maybe we'll have a little fun. I'm solo this time, so I can be an idiot. We already have issues. Fine business this time. Not always. This time we got a good ticket. American Airlines, man, you got to manage that boarding process. Like, it's like a goddamn cattle called to slaughter. Like, just people flying and elbowing each other. Intercultural warfare to get to my damn seat. Now it's time to have a cocktail or 26. Have what's shockingly a decent meal. Pass out, land a VA in the morning. Go to my hotel. Not get in the hotel room. Figure out what I'm going to do for the day because work doesn't start until tomorrow night. So let it begin. Coming into VA and see what it looks like out the window. Hard. It's now been 24 hours since I left my house, and I just got into my room. I'm not going to give you a tour of the room. It's a freaking hotel room. It's not, not that special. But there is something rather special in here that I'm really excited about if I can find the opposite. So this sign says, no molestar. I'd kind of like to find one that says, molestar, por favor. Just like, as a rule, get to it, All right, so I've had my data recover. Kind of, and I'm out on the streets of Buenos Aires, but not in like the coolest area. This is sort of a financial district or whatever that I'm staying in because it's the only goddamn hotel room I could find. So, rocking my Cycle Source gear. You're welcome, Chris and Heather. You're global now, brother. But it's a neat area that I'm in. It's just not old school Argentina. It looks like every other city. I'll show you real quick. So, lots of glass buildings, restaurants named after the world's worst cocktail. In my opinion. The river is right there, which is kind of cool. There is some neat stuff, so don't take it the wrong way. It's just not old world Argentina or anything. So I'm gonna grab some cash, then we're gonna head to the Harley dealer later. Come to a creepy little bank. Back room. Exchange rate's bad. I guess how that shakes out is I have some stuff I have to do for work that requires cash only, and it's not shady. It's just to save the exchange rate. Anyway. This little big bank, they're playing Van Halen. Oh, the exchange rate is 9 is 4%. I give them $600 US. We'll do the math and see what I just got taken for. And the problem is I ain't gonna get it all back in expenses. Anyway, so let's have fun. And I already feel more at home. So we are at Harley-Davidson of Buenos Aires. Cool building, man. So, a little vrod action out front. Will they put a deluxe up on top there? What is that? Yeah. Got twin cam deluxe up on the roof, bar and shield, all that. Cool shop. Never been here before. First time, I think ever, I've been to VA without a boss or someone with me. They don't trust me to be alone. Not true. Just that's how that stuff works out. It's not even with me this time. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is not like any dealership I've ever been to in my life. They're really nice here, and they're like, yeah, do whatever you want, man. Take videos. It's more like a boutique sort of experience. Let me show you what I mean. Back wall of the dealership. Ultra classic. And like, look at this fountain. This is the Harley Shop. I guess they do like little events out there. You got like a high top for drinks or something, but this is freaking amazing. Don't drink go out there. Now the door's locked. Got a big bar and shield. Like, look, I don't know if that's a shop or what. I mean, they do service everything here. There's no parts and accessories dealer, but foosball. Fitting for Argentina. They like the soccer down here, or football, a lot. So, oh, there's more. That's not a backrest. It's a sissy bar. Seats and bars and stuff. Your typical P&L wall, you know? Or P&A wall. Bullet fairing. Roads here aren't real conducive to a 1,000-pound Ultra. Like, traffic is left and right. They use the shoulder to go past traffic. I believe it's legal. If not, then the cops don't care. That's just the roads are a little different down here. But I did see the one Harley I've seen, Road Glide. So much respect for this dude, man. Throwing that 1,000-pound pig around like it was nothing. He dog-legged right lane, 2 lanes behind us, and then shot across 3. Like, where's the fire, man? But anyway, so that's the only big bike I've seen. It's the only Harley I've seen so far. So lots of Sportsters and stuff, because you need a smaller bike to run the shoulder and stuff down here, and then heavy traffic. But so yeah, not a ton of motor clothes and all that sort of stuff, But look at the old CV carb top cover. They got some cool stuff for older bikes in here, man. Pretty sure that's what that is. It's top cover for a CV carb, I think. Nice mix of stuff. Something I've never seen before. A cutaway vrod motor. That's pretty cool. Never seen that. Where'd you even get that? Well, they're a dealer, right? But overhead cams. Not exposed. That's cool. Hell of a throttle body. Like, actually had a V-Rod, wrecked it, but that's cool. Just not something you see every day. I'd like to have that in my family room. Put like just a row of engines, Probably sell a lot of those, but look what they got over here. Buell. Is that I don't remember the models. Is that a Thunderbolt? Firebolt? I can't remember. Oh, that's Ulysses. Oh, must be a model they didn't sell in the States. Ulysses XP12X. So you got a modded 1203. But what is that based on? Is that a Firebolt or Thunderbolt? I don't remember what that guy was called. Sporty. Look at there. Softail custom. About I don't know, because they look the same for so many years. I don't know if that's 90s, could be 80s. Let me know if you can tell by the year. But, I don't know, big reflectors. Those reflectors, well, it could be an Argentina thing. And a weird way to mount the turn signals. But I'm thinking this is late 80s. Somebody's painted the frame. Marca. Nice bike. And then here you got right off the side the weirdest little men's room on earth. And then parts, man. On the shelves, stuff you can see right out in the open. Not a huge inventory, but hell, I just noticed the sales desk. They got 2 Evos sitting there. An Evo there. And right there. That's cool. Cool little gas pump. Even though it's black, I'd like to buy that, put it on the chopper. Just something that came from Argentina. But I would imagine the exchange rate would screw me a bit. And it's the wrong color, but still, be cool to have a part I bought in Argentina on the chopper. No t-shirts to fit a fat man. I'm size big fat American down here. All right. My buddy Nacho.
Bienvenidos Argentina.
Getting on his
Go ahead.
KTM Duke 200 because you have a 390, but that's too big for the city.
Yes, that's right.
So you need something you can cut people off in.
Small bike in a big city.
Yeah.
And big bikes in the route.
But it's an ADV bike, your other bike, sort of.
Yes.
Yeah. That's cool.
So
I like
you're
those.
Gonna be famous?
Oh yeah, you're gonna be famous.
Oh, nice.
You're gonna be famous to a very small group of people.
Oh, but even better.
I mean, how can I close out a video better than that? Like a buddy not drunk, not drunk, but having had a libation or 12, getting on his 200cc KTM bike and riding off into Buenos Aires traffic. I mean, I assume he lived. I'm sure he's fine. It's all fine, right? So I'll see him tomorrow, I think. And I may or may not do like little video bits for the rest of this trip, but tomorrow my work starts. Like, I mean, it's been going on the whole time, but I'm talking like breakfast meetings, lunch meetings, and I can't exactly pull out a camera and go, hey, tell me about whatever. The guy that I just showed you, my buddy Ignacio, otherwise known as Nacho, like that would be the short name for Ignacio in Spanish, much less Argentina, is a pal. Like, I work with him, but he's a pal. And he's a good dude, and he watches the channel. So I'm sure he's watching this right now laughing his ass off going, I wasn't drunk. I'm fine. So anyway, he wasn't. He's a better man than I am. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this and got a little bit of a tickle out of it. I don't think I'll do any more from BA because what can happen during work, right? But if so, we'll see. But I love you all to death. Thanks for watching me on my travels and stuff around the world. Next up should be interesting. On December the 2nd, the night of, I leave for India. And I'll be in Bombay/Mumbai and New Delhi. So that should be a fun video. We'll see. I'll do little bits here and there. But thanks for watching this. Love you all to death. Take care of each other. We'll talk real soon. Bye.